Today we're talking about 12 body language signals that every budgie owner must know. Because your budgies are constantly talking to you, just not with words. So, brain on, humor on, hold on tight, here we go. I'm Beatrix. Welcome to Welliness instead of Budgie Stress, the channel that shows you what your budgies are really thinking. Fluffed feathers. Fluffing up can mean, I'm chilling, or I'm cold, or I'm sick. Yes, super obvious, I know. Tip. If your budgie looks like a cotton ball on vacation and seems sleepy, observe. Half-closed eyes. That's budgie mode. I'm relaxed. Please don't disturb. If they're making a soft grinding noise, they're basically at the spa. One leg tucked in. One leg up equals pure relaxation. If I do that, I'll fall over. Budgies don't. Feathers tightly pressed. If the budgie looks like an arrow, it's alert or nervous. Like, what's going on here? Tail bobbing. Slight bobbing equals normal. Strong bobbing equals caution. Breathing problems possible. Budgies are small, but their body language is big. Beak grinding. That means, I'm content, let me doze. If your budgie grinds its beak, you've done everything right. Head tilted. That's not a bug, that's curiosity. Budgies use it to analyze the world. Or they're wondering why you're standing in front of them with a camera again. Wings slightly spread. That can mean, I'm warm. Or, I'm drying myself. Or, I'm ready for action. Budgies are walking ambiguities. Wanting to be petted. When your budgie lowers its head, it's saying, come on, pet me, human. But only if it trusts you. Trust is the currency for budgies. Shaking its feathers. That's a reset button. Like how we humans say, okay, let's move on. Budgies simply do it with feathers. Excited hopping back and forth. That's pure joy. Or, give me millet now. Or, I want attention. Budgies are little drama queens, but cute. Threatening. Puffed up plus wings slightly open. If your budgie looks like a mini dinosaur, it's saying, this is MY spot. Go away. Usually towards other budgies. Or your finger. Body language in context. Important. A single signal doesn't say much. The combination is what matters. Just like with us. Arms crossed plus I roll equals unambiguous. How to use body language correctly. If you know the signals, you can avoid stress, build trust, detect illnesses earlier, and give your budgies a better life. In short, you'll become a budgie whisperer. Those were 12 body signals you absolutely need to know. If you're thinking, wow, my budgie has been sending me messages the whole time, then you've got it. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and remember, Welliness instead of budgie stress for happy budgies and relaxed owners.
Tschüss und bleib gesund.